Have you ever wondered what would happen if the sun suddenly vanished for just one day? But the answer is more surprising than you think. Nothing would happen immediately, because sunlight takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth. We wouldn't know the sun had disappeared until those final rays arrived. For those first few minutes, everything would seem completely normal. Then, the sky would suddenly turn black. Even at noon, darkness would cover the entire planet. The moon would disappear from view because it reflects sunlight. And most planets would become invisible. At the same time, Earth would stop feeling the sun's gravity. Just like sunlight, gravity also travels at the speed of light. About 8 minutes after the sun vanished, Earth would no longer orbit where the sun used to be. Instead, our planet would continue moving through space in a straight line. Temperatures wouldn't freeze instantly. The atmosphere and ocean store enormous amounts of heat. After 24 hours, the average temperature would drop only a few degrees. It would be much colder, but most oceans would remain liquid. Plants, however, would stop photosynthesis. For one day, crops and forests would pause making food from sunlight. Luckily, most plants can survive without sunlight for much longer than 24 hours. Solar-powered systems would begin shutting down. Satellites and equipment that rely on solar energy would lose power unless they had backup batteries. Animals would become confused. Birds would stop singing, nocturnal animals would become active. And many living creatures would lose their normal day and night rhythm. The night sky would become incredible. Without the sun's bright light, millions of stars, distant galaxies, and the Milky Way would shine more clearly than ever before. Now imagine. Exactly 24 hours later, the sun suddenly returns. 8 minutes later, sunlight reaches Earth again. Gravity pulls Earth back toward the sun, and daylight returns. While many systems would be disrupted, life on Earth would likely survive such a short disappearance. Thankfully, this scenario is impossible. The sun cannot simply vanish. It contains enough fuel to continue shining for about another 5 billion years. So, although the universe is full of mysteries, we can safely count on seeing tomorrow's sunrise. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join Bright Professor for more amazing science and space videos.